Good evening, friends. I'm here with Tushar Biswas. इनसे मेरी मुलाकात हुई थी कुछ महीनों पहले iFix Gallery में. There was a show here, and उस समय since he works in the corporate, तो दोबारा इनका आना नहीं हुआ और हम लोग इनका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. और I think today we are fortunate to have him again here today. And today being a Sunday, he's there. So we'll speak to Tushar, and whatever he has to say about his paintings, about art and everything. So it's all to him now. No more questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm Tushar, and I'm going to speak about my paintings and what actually I do. I am one of the founder of Luna Arts. Apart from that, I am also doing a private job, and side by side, I am also an artist. Okay, a young and learning artist. Okay, so the kind of art or the style of art that I am practicing is intuitive art, abstract expression art, and mostly related to the different versions or the styles within the expression art only. So here, the first painting, this one, this comes under, again, like abstract expression. Okay, so here what I have used and what generally is used in this kind of style is a lot of vibrant colors, distorted reality, a little bit of punch of emotions. That's it. That's what this expressionism is all about. Okay. Yeah. So what I have shown is it's a bad,
Near the sun somewhere.
Yeah, it's a vast land, and that middle of that passing road I am showing. Not actually, but it's an impression or an expression of passing vehicles.
Yes, yes.
In that way. And yeah, that's it.
So it's right till dusk till dawn.
Dusk till dawn, because you can see it. That you can easily see it. Like it's either a dusk or dawn. Okay, this is happening.
Something like I'm just imagining. जब इन्होंने बोला passing vehicles, तो उससे पहले मैं एक imagine कर रहा था. जब आप सिनेमा में जाते हैं, हिंदी सिनेमा, जो इवन इंग्लिश सिनेमा, so when they show you the Bombay, बॉम्बे का जो वो दिखाते हैं जहाँ पे lighting that, what is that area, Worli. So there's a Queen's necklace, and फिर वो गाड़ी का जो lights दिखती हैं, तो इसमें आप उसी को imagine करिए. Whatever you can imagine. I've not been to Dubai. I don't know if they're, sorry? Marine Drive. Yeah, actually I have. So it's Marine Drive. A friend has told us. So you can imagine anything. The place you live, जहाँ भी आप रहते हैं, जिस देश में, जिस प्रदेश में, तो you can imagine this. Right, Tushar?
Right,
yeah.
Right.
So come to this. This is again something beautiful.
This is a very simple art, as you can see it. This comes under the style of post-impressionism. This is an impression of a bottle, wine bottle perhaps, with fruit, peaches. And also this one is same, more inclined towards expression of fruits.
Yes.
This kind of style, the subject that I chose here, this time actually I chose a very simple kind of art. Basically, I am into a kind of art that shows the real issues in the world, in the society today, the underlying issues, okay, which I try to show it through metaphors and symbols and all that, So yeah, but
so
here it's a simple art I have shown here, but the subject is like it's very classic, okay, even in the 18th century, okay, and the starting of modern art,
Right.
So they chose these subjects, they were in love with these kind of very simple subjects like empty bottles, fruits, even in that period of time.
Yes.
And they have shown it in different ways with a lot of colors and all that. So that's what I have shown here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, lovely. I think Tushar has kept it very simple. He's left it for the viewer to imagine whatever he feels like. If it's a schoolboy, so he can imagine his own, whatever he thinks of it. If it's a housewife, she can say, okay, today, like when I am going to give dinner, so this is the dinner table, these kind of paintings have to be there for my guests. in the evening. So it means anything it's left to imagination. And Tushar, what next?
Next, as I am, so I am one of the organizer of this art show.
Yeah, Luna Arts is, I forgot to introduce. So Smita Biswas, the curator of the show, and they're all a family, they're family of artisans. Yeah.
So we are hoping the next show would be much grander, from this one. So I'm all very excited with that upcoming next.
Right. So I think this is planned, as I've been told, this is planned in the beginning of 2022, January. So sometime, I think, so we are also telling our viewer that please prepare yourselves. January is the time when we have the Republic Day parade. So everybody's setting out, the winter has moved on. So it's going to be, that time is the best time to move. And IFEX is, it's the best place. And we want to make IFEX. I told Smita about some alternative places, but she has come to IFEX, and then I realized that IFEX needs, it's got a history of its own, because it's got a history of very eminent art people, art lovers. मेरे को शायद आज लग रहा था, मेरे को लग रहा था ये आर्ट, अगर ये लोग सुनेंगे आईफेक्स वाले, कि दे नीड यंग ब्लड, दे नीड टू इनोवेट, बिकॉज इनका जो समय है खोलने का 11 बजे है. आई वॉज वंडरिंग कि स्मिता इज कॉलिंग मी, आई एम ओके, फ्री मैन, नथिंग टू डू, सो आई कम हियर. बट एनीबडी हु इज वर्किंग, he will go to office, or his office is at 9:30. So why can't the galleries be opened early? They should open at 8 o'clock. They have staff. They have, so much staff. It's an old Haveli. This place is ancient, it's, I think, 100 years old. So they should, I want to spread the message, and I'll talk to them, that the art galleries, whenever somebody, the artist's investment is made today, when they come in, they pay for this. So if the morning, जो ऑफिस जा रहा है, ऑफिस जाने वाला सुबह जाएगा, he will at least, peep in and have an exhibition, look. And then I think you'll agree with me. Yeah. So they can, Smita want to say, join, come. Please come. आपका इसी में जोड़ देते हैं ना, please. Yeah. Smita wants to say something. Yes.
Actually, the time here is from 10 a.m. only. It's because of pandemic. They just changed their schedules and all. So now
that is all right.
Yeah.
Now because of pandemic, the world doesn't want to move on. Yeah. So we are, not like that. We can't keep on sitting down.
Exactly.
जो मैंने बोला कि we have very senior people, but senior people क्या होता है कि they want to take it little careful. And
right,
so we
because
need
we are the chairman and the person here and all that the management up here, they are all above 80 years old.
Yes. So for them,
so they
all
need,
right.
yes, exactly. But they need to increase the timing here.
Change with the times.
Yes.
Now everything recently, आप लोग ने देखा होगा कि 1-1.5 साल में things have gone from the physical to the virtual. So everybody is out there to make money in the virtual space. ठीक है, मतलब वो virtual conferences में nobody wants to pay up. But अगर physical में somebody's made an investment, now Smita has got these artists, so everybody is investing in this, their art. So they need, footfall. जो वो एक word है mall में footfall होता है. तो IFEX को एक नई जीवन देने के लिए मेरे मन में ये आया है, because I am very much emotionally attached to this IFEX gallery. Yeah, so that's it.
So every time I always choose.
Yeah, great. Absolutely. And you want to add anything about your show? We have
next
60
time when
seconds.
we'll speak.
Okay. Next time? Okay, we'll do it next time. Thank you. Can you stop, please?
Speak a lot about this.